Hi there. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Aston Martin key fob. This is the crystal fob, and she is gorgeous. She's also very delicate. So I'm going to be using these two very small flathead screwdrivers. This is 0.8 millimeters, and I believe this is a 1.2. I'll put a link below in the description to the screwdrivers I'm using. And then, of course, an Energizer 2032 battery. You can also get this off Amazon, just a couple bucks. Link below in the description to everything I'm using here. I have a microfiber cloth, because there are some very small screws here. These two, and then there's 6 inside of here that are very, very, very small, and you do not want to lose them. So that's what I'm doing on this microfiber. So first order of business is to remove these small screws. I've used the larger screwdriver to remove these, and just in the spirit of time, I went ahead and unloosened them. And this tray slides out. Now, one thing to note is these buttons will fall out. You just need to be careful to always have the fob facing down. And then just slide this portion out. Okay, now the fun begins. So there are 6 very tiny slot head screws here, and I am using a 0.8 millimeter screwdriver. I'm not going to bore you with the tediousness of getting these out, but you can just see they're incredibly small, and there's 6 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these. Okay, so I have these 6 screws loosened. I'm just going to move that over, keep them all intact. And there is the dead 2032 battery. Pop that out. I'm going to replace that with a new one. Positive side faces up, just like that. And then screw this back in. Okay, so all the screws are back in. Slide this back into place. Alright, so we want to make sure that this closes together like that. And you can line this piece up. Make sure the screw holes are on the bottom there. And then this slides in just over top of that. Now, I'm going to replace these 2 screws, and we're all set. This gorgeous fob is back up and running. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.